Ever seen someone breeze through learning like it's a game? Imagine your child mastering any subject with the same ease and excitement. Hi, awesome parents! Today we are diving into the Feynman Technique, a fun and powerful method to help your child master any subject. Meet Richard Feynman, the brilliant physicist behind the Feynman Technique. This method simplifies complex ideas by breaking them down into 4 easy steps. Teach, identify, gaps, research, and simplify. Ready to unleash your child's inner genius? Let's dive in. Step 1. Teach it simply. Ask your child to explain what they've learned in their own words, by teaching a friend, a younger brother, or even a stuffed animal. When explaining, your child might find areas they're unsure about. This reveals gaps in their understanding. Encourage your child to investigate the concept they find tricky and search for answers. It is a great way to reinforce their knowledge. Now, invite your child to become the teacher again, sharing the concept with fresh insights. Remember, the goal is to keep it simple and clear. Challenge your child to apply their new knowledge in real-life situations. This turns learning into a fun and meaningful adventure they will remember. There you have it! The Feynman Technique can transform your child's learning experience. Try it out and share your results in the comments below. If you're looking for high-quality, affordable online tutors to support your child's learning journey, visit Genie to book your free demo class. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog for more parenting tips.